This is the solution to the Java MOOC course Java programming first part, programming exercise 5.4 called Fitbyte. So the exercise says that we need to calculate our target heart rate for physical exercise by okay, this is the Carbonan method. There's a link provided to the Carbonan method in the programming exercise. The target heart rate is calculated, the formula is given, and a sample is given for the test data, right? All we have to do is to create a class Fitbyte, and its constructor takes both age and resting heart rate as its parameter. So first of all, let's go and create a Fitbyte class, right? New Java class and name it Fitbyte. Okay, yeah, Fitbyte. And there is age and a resting heart rate as a parameter. So first of all, let's define these two. Private int age and private resting heart rate is of type integer as provided in the sample, right? Resting heart rate, yeah, so it's an integer, so integer resting heart rate, right? This we have been provided. Now we need to define a public constructor Fitbyte that takes int yes comma int rest rate. Okay, so this dot age is equals to yes, and this dot resting heart rate is equal to rest rate. Okay, we have initialized up to this much value. Fine. Now the next step is the exercise assistance should provide a method target heart rate. So we need a method target heart rate which is passed a number of type double as a parameter that represents the percentual portion of the maximum heart rate. So 75% of the maximum heart rate. This value is 0.75 is what will be provided by this method target heart rate. So simply just name of method public double get is there a name provided here? Yeah, target heart rate is the name provided here, so let's use target heart rate and just return double heart rate, right? And all I have to do is return heart rate. So yeah, I think that's done, and the class should have double as well. The proportion is given as a number between 0 and 1. Okay, a constructor has been created, a method public double target that calculates and returns the target heart rate. There is a method target heart rate, so this will give us the value of this, right? So there are some calculations to make, and also there is use this formula to calculate the maximum heart rate. Maximum heart rate is 0. Okay, let's put this to the side, and also let's introduce another variable private let's make it a double and maximum heart rate. Okay, and this dot maximum heart rate is equals to our value of, what's the value, 206.3, right, minus, and there's a value of 0.711 multiplied by this dot h. Since this cannot be used, we'll be using years, right? Okay. Wait, what does this say? Flip operands of this was maximum heart rate. Maximum heart rate. Okay, why we are not able to do this? We are able to do this. Yeah, we can do this. So everything that we require is initialized. Now this, instead of returning the heart rate, what we are supposed to return is we have to return the calculation to be made, right? And the calculation says us to use this dot maximum heart rate, right, minus this dot resting heart rate, this dot resting heart rate. This value is to be multiplied by target heart rate percentage. So that is our heart rate, right? Oh, heart rate. Okay, yeah, heart rate. That's the multiplier heart rate, and finally we need to add a value of this dot resting heart rate. Okay, yeah. Let's go into our program to Java. Let's uncomment these lines and let's try and run this. This is a Fitbyte. Oh no. Okay, let's name this Fitbyte. And Fitbyte. Still not done? It's done. Okay. Okay, the file has been renamed to Fitbyte.java right there. Let's go into our program and let's try and run our program and see what happens. Right. So yeah, there's target. We have achieved this. Let's try and submit it to the server. There's some error here. Where's the error? Okay. The class Fitbyte only needs object variables for age and resting heart rate. Delete other variables. It says that we just need two value for those. So yeah, instead of that, let's call this. And right here, let's calculate the value of maximum heart rate, right? And let's delete this variable right here. And let's make this double maximum heart rate equals to, instead of using years, we're going to use this dot h. So all we have to do is this, and I think we'll get the same output. Let's try and run this. We're getting an output. Let's try and submit it. Still awaiting. Let's see if there are any errors remaining. As you can see, all tests are passed on the server. Thank you, and if there are any improvements that you'd like to see, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.